What do you think about the digital displays in DFW?
I really think they're amazing. They're very creative. They're enticing when you're driving by. You see them. They're eye-catching. The colors are great. I think they're very worthwhile.
And what would you say you like best about out of home?
Well, I think that's where the future is in a lot of ways. It's online, but it's also out of home. The two places we spend time are on our computers and in our car. So it's the next place to look.
Do you see your clients utilizing the power of outdoor more in 2014?
I do. I think they definitely see out of home as a growing marketplace and a marketplace where they can definitely own the media. So we might have clients where they know that they can't compete on a television level and they're being outspent, and out of home it's a place that they dominate, and that's where they like to go. Again, it's a place where again they know that they're being seen and they can rely on it. So we're already seeing exactly what happening.
Well, thank you for your time, Carrie.